Recipe ingredient calculator, built for people like you, chefs, caterers, restaurant owners. Here's what you'll love about this tool. Enter recipes once. Auto scale for 10, 100, or 1,000 servings. Calculate all ingredients in one click. Multiply or divide recipes in 3 seconds. Instantly see sauce batch sizes, shopping lists, and costs, even for 100+ dishes in one order. A professional recipe costing spreadsheet that's super easy to use. Just select the ingredients, enter the quantity. The cost is calculated instantly. If you update the price of an ingredient, the cost of every dish that uses it will be updated automatically, all at once. Instantly shows average food cost %. Highlights your most and least profitable dishes. Perfect for restaurants with a large menu. Got a big order coming up? This tool's got you covered. Once recipes and prices are set, all your recipes will show up here. Say you get an order for 50 spicy beef burgers, 50 grilled chicken salads, 30 creamy mushroom pastas, 20 mashed potatoes with mushroom cream sauce. Enter 50, 50, 30, 20 in the quantity column and hit enter. You'll see sub-recipes needed, raw ingredients to buy, total order cost right at the top. Want to track daily use? Just enter sales numbers like 100 or 200 and watch it estimate your ingredient needs. Using the resize tool sheet. Want to adjust recipe sizes based on what you have on hand? Head over to the resize tool sheet. This feature makes it super easy to scale both sub-recipes and recipes based on available ingredients. Let's say you normally make 1 batch of mushroom cream sauce using 20 ounces of white mushrooms. But today, you're only open for half the day and have just 12 ounces of mushrooms left. How do you adjust the whole recipe? It's simple. First, select mushroom cream sauce from the drop-down. Then, pick the ingredient you want to resize. In this case, white mushrooms. The unit of measurement will appear automatically. Enter the amount you have. Let's say 12 ounces, and press enter. Instantly, you'll see all the other ingredients recalculated to match the new amount, perfectly scaled down, keeping the exact same ratio. You'll also see the total cost updated based on the new quantities. How cool is that? Want to do the same for full recipes? The steps are just as easy. Pick a recipe. Select the key ingredient you want to adjust. Enter the new amount. Hit enter, and you've got your new proportions and costs. Just like that. No apps, no subscriptions. Pay once, own it forever. One-time purchase, unlimited use. For all your branches, all your concepts. It's 100% yours. No more re-entering recipes. Save your time, save your sanity. Keep your secret recipes safe. Your formulas stay with you, not on someone else's server. Control costs like a pro. Know your exact cost per dish or event and negotiate confidently with clients.